Yeah. Because you guys, so I just got gas. And now, I'm going to eat the fries. It's like a damn ghost town. Ain't nobody here? It is a good thing. It's probably because it's fucking raining. I just thought it was okay. Ooh, there's like a note on this damn door. Please don't irritate me. That's probably good. Oh, what's that? Wait, what did she put it Starbucks? Look, my part. This shirt is ear. It gets stuck to literally everything. I feel like I'm gonna have to just break it. Break it off. This shirt is not real. Anyways, back to what the hell I'm in here for. My gas is only $25. It is only, because other times it's pretty random. I'm just trying to put this stupid on my glasses. And now I'm done with face. You're on the damn floor. Next time I look at it. Oh shit, y'all. I'm supposed to got a link card. I feel like it's stupid. Yeah. I got to get there, but they're almost wrong. I don't know. I'm gonna just get it for I'm gonna stop this medication, but I'm back on my medication, so like I can finally get soda again, but I'm trying not to make like such a habit out of it. But I'm sick, so like the burn of some soda is really feeling good in my throat. It's the good. So I'm getting sodas, and it's like I actually miss drinking soda. It's just okay, a little bit. Hey, I mean the sodas are 3 for 6, so okay. Oh, I have more, and I work long tomorrow, so I don't know. I'm good. How are you?
I'm here.
Okay. Just got off work now.
No, I'm here for another hopefully 2 hours.
Yeah.
Hopefully, but I'm not holding my breath. $20 and 6 days.